Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your problem if you're not able to screen mirror to your phone, to your devices, for example, laptop, TV, or Apple tablet, okay? So the first thing you want to do is, of course, hop into settings right there, click on the Wi-Fi option, and then make sure that our devices, which is our phone, the one we're going to screen mirror, and then we're going to make sure that the same device is connected with the same network. For example, your phone and iPad are connected on the same network, okay? That's the most important part right here. That's the key point right there. Next, if you're still having this problem, just force restart your phone. How to force restart your phone? Actually, I cannot do it physically right now. We'll end the screen record. However, it's simply clicking the volume power up and then clicking it the lower volume down and then clicking the side button at the same time, which is the one you click to power up your phone. Now if you click on it, make sure you hold it until your phone turns back and then turns back on with this power logo, which is the Apple. If you see the thing where it says slide to power off, keep on holding. That's not how you force restart. So you keep on holding until you see the Apple logo comes back on. Okay? That's how you force restart your iPhone. Next, if you're still having this problem, go back to settings and then of course, click on General tab. This is actually the second most important part. Go to software update right here. So we're just making sure we have the best version of iOS available for our devices, simply for our phone, tablet, and of course for our TV. Make sure everything is updated, make sure all of the features are not being held back, make sure we have access to all of the features available for both devices, okay? Let me just check it right here, it's taking a long time. As you can see here, it says iOS is up to date. This is what you want to see for both of your devices, for your tablet, phone, and your TV, okay? Next is, of course, if you're still having this problem, go back to General tab right here, okay, and then swipe a little bit. On the bottom part it says transfer or reset iPhone. So click on it, and then do not click on erase all content. You want to reset our network settings, this one right here. Make sure this is the one you click, and once you click on it, it will ask for your password, and then it will reset your network settings. That should fix your screen mirroring problem right there, okay? And lastly, this should be or should also always be automatically enabled. So simply click on General tab again and click on Airplane Handoff. This option right here should be always on automatic, so you won't have any problem. Maybe this is set to never on your end, that's why you're not being screen mirrored to your TV. Okay? And that being said, thank you so much for watching. Those are the steps you want to check to fix your problem where you can have screen mirror to your iPad and TV. So again, I hope you see you in the next one. Have a safe one.